This is what I've been looking for. This is so sick. Okay, I'm 2 hours in. I'm gonna eat something, and maybe we get some light on the rock later. Maybe not. It's cool anyways. Wait, maybe. Hold on. The backpack was so heavy. When I did the backflip, it felt like flying. There are quite a few pretty big rocks here. Obviously came from up here. Oh, it's Steinbock Mama, holy shit. That's his mom. How they survive up here. It seems like such a not life-friendly environment. They are the dancers of the mountains. My god, it's so small. It must be their dad. It's a mom and a dad and 2 kids. Okay, so I think that's my picture. We have the Bodensee. What a beauty. And here is the other beauty trying to steal the show. So what I'm trying to do is to put my iPhone here with the lamp. As you can see, I was more or less able to fix light, and I found the chocolate and even an apple. Maybe I'll try some star photography later. Maybe I'll go to sleep. We see us. So I had a good night. The sun woke me up, and I made coffee and breakfast. It's a bit fresh, but it's beautiful. I'm now filming with the GoPro because the other camera died, which is okay. She did her work, so yeah. Since I have exams like next week and some other stuff to do, I head back home after this. And yeah, enjoyed it a lot and try to learn out of my faults. And yeah.